I think that's STM's captain. Who is it?
I can ask Aiden. Actually, who is it? Santiago. Your recording skills are so bad. So bad.
You don't like zoom in and out stuff?
You were recording loud.
Oh my god, did you see that George like in like that shit was
As some of the weight classes wrap up, round robin medal winners can get it here at the head table. Bracket medal winners will get theirs at their mat. Round robin medal winners will get it at the head table. Bracket medal winners will get it on the mat after their match.
Inara, what action are you doing? Yep, give me the beanbag. I'm better.